You know, this still looks like a disaster, but really it's pretty well organized at this point. Okay, not the kitchen, but here in the living room, we're getting pretty close. Our neighbors there and Chloe and Carmen is their daughter helped us to load up some of the big stuff into the rig. In another life, also known as like 10 years ago, I guess, I used to make whips for a living and crack them. And I still have some of them that I've made. So as we were packing, I found them again and cracked a couple of them. And we found out that Sagan thinks the sound of a whip cracking is hilarious.
Goodbye, tree.
Goodbye, oh beautiful fake tree. Hey, Sagan, what are you doing in there? Sagan, what's going on here? Hi. Why don't you come on out with us? What? Really? We've been enjoying the luxury of baths after every meal. And yes, by the way, those are jalapenos as toys. Hot potato, hot potato. Hot potato, hot potato. Hot potato.
So we're getting close. As you see, the big furniture is out. We have knickknacks here and there. My desk, of course, is still there because gotta work. But I set it up kind of nice, very minimal. So when we're in the rig, it'll be just what I need to get work done. Today is Thursday. Should be ready to go on Monday. Hopefully, Yuzu's out of the shop and get her sold and get it out.